Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will be discussing about the double underscore name, double underscore variable in Python modules. Okay, so all of the modules in Python has this particular variable associated with them. Okay, so we can see that in action as well. Here, what we can do, we can define a simple function, say hello. Okay, and this function will print the f string of something like inside the main module, because the file name is main.py, and the double underscore name double underscore is, we can just here pass double underscore name double underscore here. And now we can call this function, say hello. All right. Now if I run the program, as you can see, we are getting inside the main module, and the name double underscore name is double underscore main. Okay. So let's see that in other modules as well. So we are having this greet module once again. So here we can define a function, def greet. Here we will print the f string once again inside the greet module, and double underscore name double underscore is once again double underscore name double underscore here. Okay, and here what I can do greet. All right, simple enough, right? Now if I run the greet.py, as you can see, we are getting inside the greet module, and the double underscore name is double underscore main. Okay, so as you can see, by default, whenever we are running the exact file, okay, then the value of the double underscore name double underscore is double underscore main double underscore. Okay, and here one thing I want to point out is that if I just open up the file explorer here, as you can see, the greet and the main files are together in the same level. All right, collapse this one. Now let's see what happens when we import the greet function inside of the main.py. So what we can do to import the greet function, we can do something like this. From greet import greet. Basically from the greet module, from this file, import the greet function. Okay. All right. And now after the say hello, we can just run the greet function. All right. Simple enough, right? Okay. Now if I run the program, something interesting will happen. As you can see, we are getting inside the greet module, and double underscore name double underscore is greet. Okay. Then we are getting this one inside the main module, and the double underscore name double underscore is double underscore main double underscore. And then we are calling this greet function once again. Then we are getting inside the greet module, and double underscore name is the greet. So why exactly we are getting this first line here? So whenever we are importing some sort of a module, okay, inside of a file, what Python does, Python will go through all of the code and run that code. That is why what is happening whenever we are just importing the greet function, Python is going to this greet module and running all of the code. And that is why we are getting this first print statement here. Okay. And also, as you can see, when we are running this particular file, the main.py, as you can see here, for that particular file, the name variable double underscore name double underscore is double underscore main double underscore. But for the other function call, basically the greet function call, as you can see, whenever we are just printing out the double underscore name from this main module, basically whenever we are calling this greet function from the main module, then the double underscore name is greet. Basically this is the double underscore name variable here. Okay, so it is changing depending on whether we are executing that particular file or we are importing the module inside of another file and then we are executing that particular file. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Now, so this particular thing inside the greet module and double underscore name double underscore is greet, this is problematic, right? We do not want to have this print statement here. So how we can resolve this issue? We can resolve that by going to the greet module, and here we can check if we are executing this greet Python file or not. How we can check that? Remember, whenever we are executing this particular file, the name variable, this double underscore name double underscore, will be double underscore main double underscore. Okay, I can prove it to you here. So if I just run this greet file here, greet.py, as you can see, this is happening here, right? So what we can do, we can check if double underscore name double underscore equals to a string double underscore main double underscore. If we are running this particular program here, okay, if we are directly running the greet.py, only then run this particular function here. Otherwise, do not run this particular function. So now if I go to the main.py and run the program, as you can see, we are getting the expected behavior. So first of all, we are calling the say hello function, and that is why we are getting this print statement inside the main module, and the double underscore name double underscore is double underscore main double underscore. And then we are calling the greet function here, and that is why we are getting this print statement here inside the greet module, and double underscore name double underscore is greet. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So in most of the code bases, you will go through this sort of line here, and now you exactly know what exactly we are doing with this particular if check. Like if name is main, okay, then only execute this particular code here. Okay, so what exactly we are saying by this line? We are saying if this particular module, basically this particular Python file, is executed directly, then go through all of the code inside of the indented block and run all of the code. Okay, otherwise do not do anything. Okay, all right, so in this video we have discussed about the double underscore name double underscore variable in Python modules, and we have seen the importance of this particular condition if double underscore name double underscore equals to double underscore main double underscore here. Okay, I hope that makes sense. So this is the double underscore name double underscore variable in Python.